Class 9th Mathematics. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today our chapter is Comparing Quantities. Chapter 7 and Part 5 and Exercise 7.2. Let us start. What will be in your exercise? So let us see 13 question. It's your 13 question. Kabir borrowed rupees 15,625 from the Indian bank. He returned rupees 17,576 after 3 years. What was the rate of interest charged by the bank? So that means principal is given as rupees 15625 and amount is returning by the bank. It is rupees 17,576 and the time period is given as 3 years. Yes, now find the rate percent. So that is the question mark. As you know, the formula is given as amount will be equal to P1 plus R upon 100 and whole power is N. So A will be 17576 and P it will be 15625 and 1 plus R upon 100 and whole power is 3. So it will be 17576 divided by 15625 will be equal to 1 plus R upon 100 and whole power is 3. So let us see what will be happen in this exercise. Now it is the 26 upon 25 and whole power is 3 and here is 1 plus R upon 100 and whole power is 3. So 3 will be cancelled out to each other. So we get 26 upon 25 is equal to 1 plus R upon 100. So let us see, R upon 100 will be equal to 26 upon 25 minus 1. Taking their LCM, LCM is 25 and 26 minus 25. So R upon 100 will be equal to 1 upon 25. So R will be equal to 1 upon 25 into 100. 25 4 years. So R will be equal to 4% per annum and that will be your answer. Let us see in this what annual rate of interest rupees 6,000 would become 6,615 in 2 years. So let us start. Principal is given as rupees 6,000 and amount will be equal to it is 6615 rupees and the time period is given as 2 years, so you have to write 2 years. Let us apply the formula. A will be equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 and whole power is N. Amount is given as 6615 and principal is 6,000 and 1 plus R is, we don't know the R's, and power N is 2. So here is 6615 upon 600 will be equal to 1 plus R upon 100 and whole power is 2. So let us see what will. Now it will be cancelled with the help of 3. 3 2 ja 6 0 0 0 and here is 3 3 3 2 ja 6 3 2 ja 6 and 1 0 3 5 ja 15. Now 5 4 ja 20, so it becomes 400. 5 4 ja 20 and 5 4 ja 20 and 5 1 ja 5. So we get here 441 upon 400 will be equal to 1 plus r upon 100 to the power 2. So that one is the 21 upon 20 whole square will be equal to 1 plus r upon 100 to the power 2. So this power will be cancelled out to each other. So we get here 21 upon 20 will be equal to 1 plus r upon 100. So let us see, r upon 100 will be equal to 21 upon 20 minus 1. Taking their LCM, LCM is a 20, so 21 minus 20. So it becomes 1 by 20, so r upon 100 will be equal to 1 by 20. So r will be equal to 1 by 20 into 100. So 25 za. So r is equal to 5% per annum. So that will be your answer. So you can do very well. It's very simple questions. Let us do the 15 question. In how many times? That means the n is find. Would be compound amount becomes 9261 from principal. Principal is given as it is rupees 8,000 and amount is given as it is rupees 9261 and rate of interest is given as 5% per annum. Yes, let us start the formula. Amount will be equal to P1 plus R upon 100 to whole power is N. Amount, that is the 9261 is equal to 8,000 and here is 1 plus R is 5%, 5 upon 100 and whole power is N. So 5 1 ja 5 and 5 2 ja 10, so 1 upon 20, so 9261 upon it will be 8,000 is equal to 1 plus 1 upon 20 and whole power n. So 9261 divided by 8,000 will be equal to, taking their LCM as a 20, so 20 plus 1 and here is power is n. So as you have to see here, 9261 upon 8,000 will be equal to 21 upon 20 and whole power is n. As you know, it is the 21 upon 20 and whole power is, I think it is the 3 power. So here is 21 upon 20 and whole power is n. Now all the base are same, so n will be equal to 3 years. So that will be your answer. So let us start in question number 16. Ahmad got an interest amount of rupees this 5,853 on his deposit rupees 46,875. So at an annual rate of interest is 8%. If the interest was compounded every 6 months, it's the very important things, then find the time of deposit. So n will be find here. Now CI is given as 5853 rupees and principal is given as 46,875 rupees. So we can find the amount. Amount is 46,875 plus 5853. What will be happen? So 5 and 3, that is the 8, and 5 or 7, 12, carry 1, 8 and 8 16, and 1 17, 5 or 6 11, and 1 12, and here is 4 and 1, that is the 5. So that will be your amount, and this is your principal, and rate of interest is given as 4%. So R will be given as 8%, but it is the annually per annum. It will be changed into half yearly. So R will be equal to 8 divided by 2% half yearly. So that will be equal to 4% half yearly. So let us start the formula. Amount will be equal to principal 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. Amount is given as, it is 52728, and principal is, it is 46875, and here is 1 plus R, that is the 4 upon 100, and whole power is n. So here is 52728, and divided by 46875 will be equal to 1 plus, here 4 1 ja 4, and 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 20. So 1 upon 25, and whole power is n. So let us see here. It is taking their LCM. So you can take your LCM. It is 25, and it is 25 plus. Now divided by 3. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15, and 3 6 ja 18, and 3 2 ja 6, and 3 5 ja 15. So once again here, 3 1 ja 3, and 3 7 ja 21, and 3 5 ja 15, and 3 7 ja 21, and 3 6 ja 18. So we get here 17576, and divided by 15625, and that will be a 26 upon 25, and whole power is n. So as you know, it is 26 upon 25, whole power is 3. So base is same, so n will be equal to 3 half yearly. So time will be equal to 3 half yearly. So 3 by 2 year, because 1 year has 2 6 months. So that is the 1 and 1.5 year. So that will be your answer. Let us start. Your next one is now question number 17. What is the principal amount on which the difference between the compound interest and the simple interest rupees 40 after 2 years at the rate of annual interest 5%? So that is given as CI minus, it will be time period also. So t equal to n equal to 2 years. So let us start. So given as ci minus si is equal to 4t. So principal wants to find out ci. The formula is ci is p, uh, the formula of ci is amount minus principal, and si is prt upon 100 is equal to 40. So apply the formula. Amount will be equal to p 1 plus r upon 100 to the power n minus, it is p and minus p r t upon 100, and will be equal to 40, not 40. It will be equal to 40. Yes, now p will be common here. So we get 1 plus r upon 100 to the power 2 minus 1 minus rt upon 100 will be equal to 40. Now put the value. P we don't know, and 1 plus r is 5%, so 5 upon 100, and whole power is 2 minus 1 minus 5, t is 2, and here is 100 will be equal to 40. So what will be happen? So 5 2 ja and 2 10 ja. Now let us start here. So P will be equal to 1 plus, no, 5 1 ja 5 and 5 2 ja 10, 20. So it is 1 upon 20 and whole square minus 1 and minus 1 upon 10 will be equal to 40. And here is P taking their LCM. LCM is 20, and it is a 20 plus 1 whole square and minus 1 minus 1 upon 10 is equal to 40. So P here is 21 upon 20 whole square minus 1 minus 1 upon 10 is equal to 40. So P, so it will be 441 upon 400 minus 1 upon 10 will be equal to 40. Let us taking their LCM, that is the 400. So it is 441 minus, it is 400 and minus, it is 10 times, that means it is 40, and it is 40. Now you can say it will be only 1. So 1 upon 400 will be equal to 40. So P will be equal to 40 into 400. So that means P is equal to rupees 16,000. So that will be your answer. So you can do easily. Now example number 13 for the next exercise. The present population of town is this one. If the population increases at 5% annually, then what would be the population after 3 years? So it is the principal, and it is 128,000. R is given as 5%, and time period, where is the time period? It is 3 years. So you have to write 3 years. So let us start. A will be equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. So we want to amount. P is given as 5 upon 100 and power n 3. So 5 1 ja 5 and 5 2 ja 20. So 1 2 8 triple zero, and here is the LCM is 20, and here is 20 plus 1 and whole power is 3. So 128 triple zero, it will be 21 upon 20 and whole power is 3. That one is the amount. So let us calculate the amount. It is 128 triple zero into 21 upon 20 into 21 upon 20 into 21 upon 20. So 10 20 30 will be cancelled with this 30. Now population after 3 years, you have to write here population after 3 years will be equal to 148176. So that is your answer. Let us see here example number 14. Kishore bought a bike of rupees 55,000. If the bike depreciates at 8% annually, then what would be the value of bike after 2 years? Depreciate, that means it is decreases. So principal is given as 55,000 and R is given as 8% per annum. You can write depreciates. Now and after 2 years, so time will be here, so it will be n is 2 years. So formula becomes A is equal to P 1 minus R upon 100 and whole power is n. Now apply the formula. 5 5 triple zero, sorry, amount will be find here. It is the 5 5 triple zero and 1 minus R is given as 8 upon 100 and whole power n is 2. So 4 to the 8 and 4 25 jump. So it will be equal to 5 5 triple zero and the LCM is 25 and 25 minus 2 and whole square. So we get 5 5 triple zero and here is 23 upon 25 and whole square. 5 5 triple zero, here is 23 into 23 upon 25 into 25. So let us see here 5 5 jump and 5 1 ja 5 1 ja and 3 zeros. Once again 5 1 jump, here is 5 2 it will be 4 6 5 5 2. So after 2 years, so that is the amount. So rupees amount will be equal to rupees 46552. So that will be your answer. So you can do very easy. Let us see the example number 15. A car is purchased rupees this one 4,50,000. The car depreciates 4% annually for the first 2 years and the 10% annually for the next 2 years. So what is the price of car after 4 years? So let us start how can do this. So first one is principal is given as 450,000 and the R1 is given at 4% and N1 is equal to 2 years and R2 is given as 10% and N2 is given as 2 years. So let us start how can do this question. So amount will be equal to P1 minus R1 upon 100 and whole power is N1 and once again 1 minus R2 upon 100 and whole power is N2. So let us start do this. P is given as 450, so triple zero. 1 minus R1 is given as 4%, N is 2. So 1 minus R2 is given as 10%, so 10 upon 100 to the power 2. So let us start. It is 45000. Here is 4 1 ja 4 and 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 20. So taking the LCM, it is 25. It is 25 minus 1 and whole power is 2. Here 0 will be cancelled here and taking their LCM, it is 10 minus 1 and whole power is 2. So it is 450,000 and it is 24 upon 25 and whole power is 2. Here is 9 upon 10 whole power is 2. Now A will be equal to 450,000. Here is 24 into 24 upon 25 into 25 and here is 9 into 9 and 10 into 10. Let us start what will be happen in this. So 0 and 0, this will be cancelled for this 0. 5 5 ja 25 into 9 and divided by 5. So in this calculation, amount will be equal to 3359 to 3.20. So amount will be equal to, so amount will be equal to rupees 3,35,923 rupees 20 paise. So that one is your answer. So let us start the next one. The first one, the present population of the village is 8,000. If the population is decreases at the rate of annual rate, that is the 5%, what would be the population after 3 years? So let us see in this question. Principal is given as 8,000 and the rate of interest, that is the 5%, it is decreases. Now time period is 3 years. For decreasing, amount will be equal to, that is the principal 1 minus R upon 100 and whole power is N. Now put the value, it is 8,000 and here is 1 minus R is 5 upon 100 and whole power is 3. So 5 1 ja 5 and 5 2 ja 20. So it will be 8,000. Here is 20. So 20 minus 1, and here is power 3. So that one is 8,000, and here is 19 upon 20, and whole power is 3. And 2 to the 4 to the 8. So that 8 will be cancelled out. So now A will be equal to 19 into 19 into 19. So that will be your population. So that one is 6859. So it's your population after 3 years. So that is your answer. So let us see the next one. That is the second. The population of the town is 600, and the R is given as 15%. It is increases, and time period is 2 years. So what will be amount will be equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. So A will be equal to 9600. 1 plus R is given as, that is the 15 upon 100, and whole power n is, that is 2. So 9600, 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja, and 5 2 ja 10. So we get here taking their LCM 20. So 20 plus 3 and whole power is 2. So it will be 9600. It is 23 upon 20, and whole power is 2. So that will be amount. So here is, let us start do the calculation this one. It will be let us start in this exercise question. Cash price is rupees given as, that one is the 1000, and the price by installments. So 4000 तुरंत दे दिया था पैसा, और 310 रुपीज़ जो है इसकी 2 इंस्टॉलमेंट बनेगी. Now it is multiplied by 2, it becomes 620, and 400, that becomes the 1020 rupees. And what is the interest? So 1020 minus 1000, so this will be your interest. नाउ प्रिंसिपल फॉर फर्स्ट मंथ के लिए क्या प्रिंसिपल रहेगा, 1000 रुपये की चीज़ थी और 400 रुपीज़ उसने रिटर्न कर दिए थे, तो 600 रुपीज़ प्रिंसिपल, यानी इस पर इंटरेस्ट लगाना पड़ेगा. नाउ प्रिंसिपल फॉर सेकेंड मंथ 600 बचे थे, उसमें से 310 रुपीज़ और उसने लौटा दिए. सो remaining money is 290. So that the total is the principal 890. And time is always, remember, it is 1 upon 12 years. Why? Because it is the monthly installment. So SI is equal to PRT upon 100. So 20 is the interest, here is, and the P is given as 890, which is here, and R we want to find, and here is the T is 1 upon 12, and here is 100. So 0 will be cancelled out, and after the calculation we will get the 26.96%. So that is your answer. So let us start the next question, and that one is the example 17. The price of television is given as 12,000, and the sold rupees 3,000 down payment and two equal installment, monthly installment. The rate of annually interest is given as 18%. Then find the amount of each installment. So let amount of each installment be rupees X. Now the cash price, you can write cash price. It is given as 12,000 rupees, and price by down payment, it will be 3,000 and plus uh, 2 installment monthly, that is the X into 2. So that will be 2X. So it is the 3,000 plus 2X. And the simple interest, so you can find the interest SI. How can find the? It is the 3,000 plus 2X and minus 12,000. So it becomes 9,000 plus 2X. It is the simple interest. Now rate of interest is given as, R is given as 18%. So you have to write 18%, and time is given as 1 upon 12. So you can calculate the SI will be equal to P. Now first of all we want to the principal. So let us start the principal. Principal for first month, it will be 12,000 and minus 3,000. It will get it is the 9,000, and principal for second month, it will be 9,000 minus X. So total principal will be equal to, it is 18,000 minus X. Now apply the formula. पता नहीं कहाँ तक कर लिया था मैं, भूल भी गया मैं. So here is the price by down payment, that is the 3000 plus 2x, and when it is used by cash price, so we get the simple interest, and that is 3000 plus 2x minus 12,000, so it becomes minus 9,000 plus 2x. Rate of interest is 18% and time is 1 upon 12 years. Principal for first month, it is the 12,000 minus 3,000, it becomes 9,000, and principal for second month, it is the 9,000 and minus x, so we get 9, it is the 18,000 minus x, and it is 3, so it is multiply inside. So let us go on the next page. So it is here 200 multiplied by 9,000, so it becomes this one, and plus 2 multiply this one 400, and it is 18 3 is 54,000 and minus x. उसको लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।